Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Intuit QuickBooks. That's right, and it's quite simple. See, it is one platform that is built for your growth. Your books are just the start. Unlock growth, get paid, manage teams, and do it all faster with smart tools that keep you in control. You can explore the plans here. You want to see how it works, click it here. Watch a video to see how it works. Now, students are also eligible for a free QuickBooks online account for 12 months. So we're students for the star here. Now you get smart features that help you save time by using QuickBooks. Now you can manage everything in one place, save 13.3 hours each week using QuickBooks. You can also speak to the interactive AI. Then you can link your accounts, connect premium apps, send invoice, print, and even save it. So keep an eye on where your money goes, connect your apps, turn heads, and open wallets. You can save 50% off today to help you secure online accounting that saves your time by buying it now. So you also get this ebook. You can download this ebook. You can meet the customers around the world. There are the customers. They have a lot of great things to say about QuickBooks. You see, there's a QuickBook for every business. So these are the plans. You can see them: simple, start, essential, plus, and advanced, and everything you get under each and every one of them. So you get features that help you run your business, and the features that QuickBook offers are invoicing, expenses, bank fees, GST, and VAT. Inventory, capture and organize the receipt. Mobile app, there's a mobile app too, so you can do it from on the go. So you have insights and reports also. So there are more features like multi-currency support, security, and you can switch from zeros from Excel, MileB, or Recon desktop to QuickBooks Online easily. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.